Hello guys, what's up? So today I brought an amazing tutorial for you again, and that is on Get That Fool. Hope you watched my cover song and I got really good response. So a lot of people requested me for the tutorial, so here you go. Okay guys, so song starts with very soft music, and as usual I have divided all the music into the counts. So counts would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So initial 16 beats I skipped, and after 16 I've started. And the steps are, you can watch my video simultaneously so that you can understand what exactly I'm teaching. और या फिर आप देख लो, उसके बाद में आप वीडियो देख सकते हो. तो स्टेप्स है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me teach you the steps. So music is ting 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 ting. Ting 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 ting. So music ये है. Sorry, I can't play the music because of the copyright claims. So you need to keep your palms straight. Your profile to your right side. Let me show you the in front. 1, 2, 3. Only thrice. So simultaneously when you're moving your waist and your head and your hands. So left, right, left, and slide turn. Okay. So left, right, left, turn. You can take a slight jump. Then after chest pop. So keep your hands just front of your chest. Chest pop. Rotation twice of your hips. How would you do that? Bend your knees and rotation twice. And then after on 7, 8. 1, 2. So once you are here, 7, 8. You take just slight turn. So right, left, grab your shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you need to do here, straight, grab your shirt. Now wave and hop, and then keep your hands on the thighs. 7, 8. So let me show you again all the steps. Moving your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4 में turn किया. And then 5, 6, 7, 8 में rotation किया. Slight turn हो गए. And then straight. And then last 2 beats में chest pop. So keep your hands here. Chest pop, chest pop. That's it. Then after the lyrics part comes, here he says, "Chale jab tu latak bhatak." So you finished here. Chale jab. Now here you need to take a slight wave while you walk. You're not even walking, you're just sliding. Okay, like this. How will you do that? If you stand, आपको सिर्फ अपने toes step थोड़ा ऊपर करना है. Wave to up. So left side अगर wave किया तो right to हो जाएगा. Right side किया तो left to up हो जाएगा. So keeping your hands here on the thighs and coming upwards. So चले जब 2 बार किया left right. तू में दोनों हाथ ऊपर आ गए. लटक मटक. Now here both the hands up. Close your fingers and लटक मटक. Here make sure कि आपका एक पैर जो भी आप यूज कर लो, it should be little higher. And then hip को move करना है upwards. तो लटक मटक. Long located. So here you already your leg is up. It will become long located. So it will be like complete, or I would say half rotation. So here open your hands. Long located on dil. Keeping your one hand on the chest. It means the left hand on the chest. Right hand on the stomach. And chest pop, chest pop. So chale jab tu latak matak. Long located. Patak patak. Chest pop, आगे सांसें जाए. पटक पटक के बाद आपका हाथ right hand to profile, right hand up, your left hand पीछे. One step and leg closed. If I will show you here, it will be like 1, 2. तो left जाएगा, then right के पास में जाएगा. तो सांसें में थोड़ा सा bend भी करना है. सांसें जाए, अटक अटक. कुछ नहीं है. क्लोज लेग्स. पीछे जाना है, आगे आना है. पीछे जाना है, आगे आना है. अटक अटक. आता माझी सटक सटक. Your profile. आता माझी. So you are here, left cross, right cross, and left leg open. So your legs are open. And हाथ कैसे करेंगे? आता माझी, you cross hands, open hands, माझी पे दोनों हाथ on your forehead, माझी, सटक, सटक, दो, hit, hit. Then after, बम तेरा बुते खाए, सटक सटक करने के बाद बम पे एक किक लेनी है, with your left leg, down होना है, बुते खाए. Now here make sure your hands are at the back of your hip on your bums. And you bend your knees and rotation again. How will you do that? Because your knees, if you do it like this, it won't make any impact. You have to wide your legs or bend your legs and rotate. Then only it look good. So kick, te, gote, khai. Now on kamar pe se, yahan left leg yahan hai. It will make a half circle with your toe. So it will be like कमर पे तेरी. ओके, सो यू आर हियर, कमर पे तेरी, तेरी में तक करते करते राइट लेग ऊपर हो जाएगा, टो पे, राइट हैंड हियर, लेफ्ट हैंड हियर, बटरफ्लाई. सो ऑन योर टो, हिप अप, टो डाउन, हिप डाउन. सो there is a technique of this step is that your toe has to be up, so your hip automatically will be higher, and then once your toe gets down, your hip gets lower. Okay, butterfly, butterfly. Right hand up here. Now body तेरी. अगर मैं इसको सिंपली खड़े होकर करूँगी तो I'll show you body तेरी. So it's a pelvis thrust along with your baby hands. Body तेरी. So left, right. Simple. Body तेरी. मक्खन जैसी. मक्खन में मक्खन जैसे लगाते हैं, सिंपल मक्खन जैसी, मक्खन जैसी. Here twist your left leg and right leg. So मक्खन जैसी. थोड़ा सा आगे आना है. Now खाने में तू बस बटर खाए. मक्खन जैसी. खाने में मैं क्या करना है, झुकना है, लेफ्ट लेग आगे आएगा एंड रोली पोली. यस, राइट हैंड पीछे जाएगा, लेफ्ट हैंड आगे आएगा, अलॉन्ग एंड लेफ्ट लेग आगे आएगा. खाने में तो बस बटर, बटर में हैंड्स ओपन, लेग्स ओपन. सो बटर, खाए में ओपन and then close. So once we merge all, it will look like खाने में तो बस बटर खाए. And after this, come on baby, kick it, काटो तेरी, tick it, खेलता नहीं मैं cricket, पर लेती तेरी wicket. Okay. So after this, come on baby, में left leg forward आएगा and you need to take one turn. Okay. So एक one turn करना है पूरा. तो right hand left leg, sorry, left hand left leg up, चुटकी, come on baby, मैं पूरा एक turn and profile on left. So it's more than a turn. So more than a turn, and then after, come on baby, kick it. Now hands has to be like this. Okay, so it's not, so I don't know what to call this, but then you just need to move your fingers. Okay, come on baby, kick it. This is the hand position, right hand at the back of your waist, and 1 and 2. So here also you need to rotate your hips along with these steps. So kick it. So kick it. Rotation first and keep your leg. Rotation first and keep your leg. And यहाँ आ गए कर्टू. तो कुछ नहीं है, both the legs wide, कर्टू तेरी. So कर्टू तेरी में you need to sit like this, तेरी, tick it. You just need to move, okay? Tick it. खेलता नहीं में same हो जाना है, खेलता नहीं, cross, खेलता नहीं में, नहीं, मैं हल्का सा slide turn. तो it's not even a turn, it's just a body little slide. And then right hand down, left hand here, cricket. Now here you need to make sure you need to take this wave in, wave out along with your head, which I did. So खेलता नहीं मैं, cricket, cricket. Wave in, chest out, stomach in, stomach out, chest out, along with your head. So cricket, cricket. करते हैं, ले लूँ cricket, cricket. So पूरा एक टर्न लेना है along with your right leg. Right hand here, sorry, left hand here, right hand here, turn, wicket, wicket. So tuck, tuck, tuck. So it's hip hit, wicket, wicket. So after this, the male lyrics of Bengali language that comes in, and the lyrics are Bolo loko bitti yo lomba lomba chul. Sorry, I'm very bad at it. So how I did it, I just I wore sarees, so it's more like a catwalk. However, it's not a catwalk like, it's an Indian catwalk, so it's not like jazzy. It's like very Indian, full of nazakat. So I did close my fingers, crossing leg, and then I take a slight turn. It's all up to you. You need to make it really random. It's not fixed here. Just like tap tap tap. And then I moved, I slightly turned, right hand down, left hand up. La Ligeta, when she says La Ligeta, full tak I'm here. And then Badshah ka kuch lyrics are there, maine tuck, tuck, twice. So tuck, tuck. And then after, I moved front. And now my steps are, first I want to show you. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I've done Boro loko bitti yo lomba lomba chul. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is just swing and right hand here, left hand here, bitti yo lomba lomba chul. It means hair. She's showing like hair, and is that आप अपना चोटी बांधते हो. So chul. Nana, chul, and then I don't know what lyrics are, but then I can show you the step. Nana, nana. So right hand down, left hand here at the chest. Wave out, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Wave out, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. So you make it mudra with your hands. Right hand down, left hand up, and then coming from down to up. Nana, 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 again that fool. And then after there is a sweet music. So right hand up, I did like this. Na 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 na. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if this hand is shivering, tuck 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 tuck, as if that it's playing, and na 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 na. Then after both the hands parallel, na 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 na. So steps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So both the hands parallel and wave, wave. Here I have done shimmy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap. Or you can do tap, tap. Or you can, I think, we can just give a hit. That's it. And then that's it. Song is complete. So guys, that was really quick and very short dance tutorial of Ganda Phool. I hope you liked it. It's very easy, and I would just suggest in this worst situation of the world that you just stay home and stay safe. Don't go outside, not for you but then for other people also, and safety is in your hand. And that is the reason, just watch the tutorials and live sessions done by a lot of good people, and you know, they are just running all sessions online for you or for all of us. So enjoy those things and enjoy being home, and subscribe to my channel, Dance Side. I love you all. Bye bye.